Hello my YouTube friends, I'm your friend Salam. Welcome to my YouTube channel Hvac Healthy Environment. Now you can see the ductable split outdoor unit. This is a part of HVAC systems. It's very important unit. Now we are talking about this HVAC systems, how we clean. It's very important to clean every month or every week you can. Now friends, one important request to you that you can subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Now we can see how we clean the HVAC systems. It should be cleaned very carefully or because you know that now it is cleaning condenser coil, you can see. It should be cleaned very properly or carefully because you can see that it should be cleaned from top to bottom or bottom to top. If we clean right to left or left to right, then the fins can be bent, and if fins will be bent, then the system will be blocked, then condenser coil will be blocked and the cooling issue will be created. Then system will not work properly. Now you can see it should be cleaned, my friends, top to bottom or bottom to top. Okay, this is the fins, you can see. If we clean from right to left or left to right, then the pressure will be bend these fins and then problem will be created. This is a ductable split outdoor unit. Now you can see compressor also. This is a 15-ton compressor, and he is my technician. He is a very good technician. You can see how he is cleaning very properly from top to bottom and bottom to top. He is cleaning very carefully this condenser coil, and it should be cleaned every month or every week, because if we not clean these parts, then it should be then it will be blocked and the problem will be created and the cooling issue will be created, you know. Okay my friends, thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video again. Thank you so much.